Hey everyone, this is Mohit, and I'm a principal engineer at Zalando in the Client Foundations department. We handle everything about client-side reliability and making sure that builders at Zalando are able to ship client-side experiences fast and in a reliable way. We recently had the React Universe meetup at Zalando at one of our office buildings. And my talk was about talking how you can compare performance when you're shipping technical migrations where you do not really change the end product. So the end product remains the same for the users. So my talk was talking about how do you compare performance or how do you compare metrics when the end product is the same, but you're changing the underlying implementation. A few things to take away from my talk were that the React Native space is quite nascent. It's quite young, and there's a lot of there are a lot of things to develop, and we can draw inspiration from the more established web ecosystems. For example, one of the things that I stressed upon was introducing a performance metric similar to LCP, which is largest contentful paint on the web. And we can bring that to React Native to kind of have a similar performance measurement. And another thing that we discussed was about having a performance first mindset, because that is what will take your business forward. And it's very important to instill this from the get-go. And probably the last one was to measure everything. If you can measure things as open telemetry span, I think you can get insight into a lot of things that happen on your users' devices. One interesting thing that I like about working at Zalando is how diverse the talent pool at Zalando is. Zalando being like such a big tech company here in Europe, you get to meet different people from different backgrounds that work in different domains that make the whole company and the business run. And events like these are like proof for this fact. I also run another internal guild, which is like a group of interest around reading academic engineering papers, and it's so interesting to meet people that come with different ideas when we discuss a similar topic that we are interested in, and all of them turn out voluntarily. So it's not really pushing something. They're not being pushed by a decision, but everyone turns up voluntarily, and this is what I really enjoy working here.